Hey guys, so this is how you cook black pepper fried rice with beef steak in less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna cook our black pepper fried rice. You see the pan has got the caramelization. I'm not going to clean this up, I'm gonna use it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add olive oil, a bit more, okay? Then we have some balance, okay? We give you about 150 grams of the sauce, okay guys? I'm gonna put a bit more of the sauce. Let's lower down the fire. Okay guys, we're gonna cook the sauce for a bit. Okay. Orang Melayu cakap, masak kasih garing, babe. Kasih garing sikit. You can smell the aroma guys. Okay. Let's put some of the rice inside. Freshly cooked rice. So let's give it a good stir guys. Make sure we cover all the white rice with the sauce. Okay guys, the rice is almost done. Let's switch off the fire and plate it. So guys, it's up to you guys. Your preference, I prefer to serve with fried egg. Bismillah. So guys, our marinated meat and poultry comes in 3 different types. Lamb, beef, and also chicken. You can drop by our frozen mart, 374 Bukit Batok, Street 31, unit number 01214. Or you can also purchase it online. And now also we are on GrabMart. So for, I should say about 3 kilometers radius, you guys can also place an order online and have it delivered to your doorstep. Enjoy guys.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.